Welcome to today's video, everyone. This is your Memorial Day official forecast, everybody. So this is our severe weather for today. We're gonna go over first. In this video, we're gonna go over other things like temperatures today and other stuff too. So let's get started. Okay, guys. So this is today's severe weather, Monday, 5/26. You can see we got an enhanced risk in the middle of Texas. You can see. Then we got a slight risk around it in Texas too, and in Louisiana. Then we got a marginal risk in parts of Texas, parts of Oklahoma, parts of Arkansas, parts of Louisiana, parts of Mississippi, parts of Alabama, parts of Georgia, and parts of South Carolina, and a little part of Florida too. And you can see a little part of Colorado too, in New Mexico, everybody. Okay, everyone, we got our wind risk for today. You can see the red, that's the 30% right there. In Texas, you can see like that smaller area. Then we got a 15% chance around it in Texas too, and it's in Louisiana too also. Then we got our 5% chance in Louisiana, parts of Texas, parts of Colorado, parts of New Mexico, and parts of Oklahoma too, and parts of Arkansas, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, and South Carolina, and a little part of Florida too, you can see. Okay, everybody, we got our hail risk here. We can see we got the dotted lines. That means it could be severe hail. 30% on there. You see it like the things on there. Then we got 15%, stretching all the way into parts of Texas. I meant. Then we got a 5% chance of hail in Colorado, New Mexico. You can see Louisiana, Arkansas, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, South Carolina, and a little part of Florida too, you can see. Okay, everybody, this is our tornado risk for today. It's a 2% chance into parts of Texas, Louisiana, and parts of Mississippi too, you can see. Alright, everyone, we're going to be looking at the radar for today. So you can see this is 9 a.m. Central Time. You can see everybody, like the radar in Texas. You see some moderate rain to light rain. You can see stretching all the way from Texas into Louisiana. You can see some lighter rain in Kansas in little mini pockets of moderate rain. We can see also in Nebraska too. You see that same exact thing. Also, you can see by Washington they have light rain over there, and you can see by North Carolina they have rain over there in South Carolina too. So let's move to the next hour. All right, everyone. This is for 12 p.m. Central Time for Texas. You can see there's moderate rain over there. And you can see there's light rain too also. And Kansas has some moderate to light rain. You can see in Nebraska. In parts of South Dakota too. You can see in parts of Georgia at 1 p.m. today. It has light rain. In North Carolina too. In South Carolina. In Washington at 10 a.m. today. You will have what's that called? Light rain too. Alright, everyone. This is 3 p.m. Central Time for our Arkansas. You can see there's looks like moderate rain to almost heavy rain, and almost in Arkansas right today, every p.m. Central. Then we got Texas. We got some moderate rain over there in light rain too. You can see in Kansas too. We got light rain, some moderate rain pockets too. You can see in Colorado looks like you have some mixture of snow and rain too. That's interesting. Alright, everyone, so it's severe weather forecast earlier in the video. You can see those thunderstorms starting to fire up. This is like 6 p.m. You can see them around. You can see like the moderate to heavy rain in them in Texas also. And you can see those pockets are heavier over there. You can see the heavier rain in Colorado too in some areas. In Texas and Kansas, we got some moderate pockets of rain. Light rain up in South Dakota. Then we got, looks like we got rain stretching like all the way down. Montana, you got some moderate rain to light to moderate over here. You can see. Then it looks like we got on the Mississippi, we got some moderate rain over here in Alabama. We got some moderate rain in Georgia too. In light rain, a little lighter rain up here too. You can see. Alright, everybody, this is 9 p.m. Central Time for Texas. You can see that rain line is getting heavier and it's spreading. Like you can see that hold on, guys. You can see in here like there's like moderate to heavy rain in here. And you got some moderate rain up here to heavy rain too. Then in Kansas, we got lighter rain up here. Then it looks like we got some rain over in the Alabama, Mississippi. You can see in Tennessee, we get some moderate rain in Tennessee or light rain. I guess the same thing for Alabama too. Then we get some rain in Nevada too, possibility. We get some rain in Montana too, possibility too today. Alright everyone, we're going to be talking about our temperatures today, everybody. This is 8 a.m. this morning. So for Orlando, we're 76. Miami, we're 83 at 8 in the morning. Then Cleveland, we're at 54. Then Chicago, we're at 50 at 7 a.m. In Texas, we're 76 at 7 a.m. That's really warm. In Vegas, we're at 5 a.m. We're 80. Also, we can see New Jersey is like in the 50s in the morning. This morning at 8. Then South Carolina, 69, 70. Then we got Georgia, 67, 68, 72. Then we got Wisconsin, that's 47, 48. Also, we could see we got Michigan, that's 50, 48. We got North Dakota, that's in the lower 50s, 54, 53, 49. You can see. Then we could see Oklahoma City, that's Oklahoma City, that's like 65 degrees that morning too. Then we got Tennessee, that's in the 50s too. You can see in lower 60s also. Alright everyone, we got 11 a.m. now today. You can see over Columbus is 62, Miami is 86, Orlando 88, Tampa 86, Cleveland 56, Columbus 62, Cincinnati 63, Indianapolis 63, Chicago 54, Iowa 60, Nebraska 56, Kansas 56. You can see Oklahoma City 69, 68 in Oklahoma. Texas, we got higher 80s also. You can see in Maine, it's in the 60s too. Then you can see in North Dakota, it's like 65, 64, 61. You can see parts of like South Dakota is like in the higher 40s. You can see also in Vegas and things you can see is like 79 degrees. Then you can see places in California, it's 50s and 60s also. Alright everyone, we got 2 p.m. today. You can see Orlando is 92. Parts of Texas is 99 and close to even 100 degrees today. Then we got parts of Georgia, it's in the 90s too. We got parts of Wisconsin, that's in the 60s also. Then we got parts of Minnesota, that's in the 70s, higher 60s too. Then parts of Illinois, that's in the 60s too. Then we got parts of Kansas, it's in the 50s. In Nebraska, it's in the 50s. Then we got parts of Nevada and Arizona, that's in the 80s and 90s at this time. They got 101 in Texas at this time. Then we got Maine, that's in the 60s. We got Cleveland, that's 57. Then we got Columbus, that's 67. Cincinnati, 67. Indianapolis, 67. Chicago, 55. St. Louis, 67. You can see also. Alright everyone, this is at 5 p.m. today, Eastern time. This is for Texas, it's 4 p.m. Central. We got 106 in some parts of Texas today, everybody. Wow. Orlando, we can see it just like, it looks like it could be, but I don't know. Okay, everybody. So we got 55 in North Carolina. You can see South Carolina, 72. Kansas is in the 50s. You can see parts of Las Vegas, 94, Arizona, 96. We got Columbus, 68, Cincinnati, 66, Iowa, 66, 65, North Dakota, South Dakota. North Dakota is in the 70s, South Dakota is in the 50s and 60s and 70s too, you can see. Alrighty, everybody, we got 8 p.m. tonight, everybody, Eastern time. You can see it's starting to cool down a bit. Texas is still 104 degrees and 106 degrees. We got Columbus 63, got Orlando 80, Tampa 86, Vegas 93. It's 5 p.m. This is over here. It's 5 p.m. Pacific time. You can see in Nevada it's like 70s and 60s and 80s. And you can see in parts of Kansas it's in the 50s too. And you can see in parts of Georgia it's in the 70s too. You can see in PA it's in the 50s. New York is in the 50s too. Then you can see Wisconsin's in the 50s too. You can see parts of Louisiana that's in the 80s. Mississippi, 70s. Georgia, 70s and higher 70s, lower 80s. Then we got parts of Alabama. It's in the higher 60s to low 80s in some parts. You can see. Alright, everyone. This is at 11 p.m. tonight Eastern time. We can see in parts of Alabama, it's in the higher 60s to mid 70s. Then you can see in the Mississippi, higher 60s to the lower to mid 70s. Then we got Louisiana, that's in the higher 70s, lower 80s. Then we got Orlando 75. Then we got Cleveland, that's 55. Columbus 58. St. Louis 62. Iowa 57. You can see Vegas 90. And you can see North Dakota, it's in the higher 40s, lower 50s. Then you can see Texas is in the 90s too. Then you can see Arkansas, that's in the lower 62. Then we got Maine, that's in the 40s, you can see. Okay, everybody, so we can see Los Angeles is 67. Then we can see, hold on, one more city. We can see in parts of Kentucky, it's 62 also. Thank you for watching this Memorial Day official forecast, everyone. Make sure to subscribe and the notification bell. You never miss a video like this, everybody. See you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.